Leo was having the most wonderful nap. The warm sun made his golden fur glow. His big chest rose and fell, slow and steady. A tiny brown mouse named Mika was busy nearby. She picked up seeds one by one, stuffing them into her little arms. Mika found a warm golden rock. She climbed right up. But it wasn't a rock at all. It was Leo's great big paw. She scurried up toward his face. Her little pink tail brushed right across his nose. Leo's nose began to twitch. His nose scrunched up. His whiskers wiggled. His eyes squeezed shut. Something big was coming. Achoo! The biggest sneeze in the whole savannah. Grass flew flat, seeds scattered everywhere, and Mika went tumbling through the air. But Leo's big paw swooped through the air and caught her. He opened one enormous eye and peered at the tiny thing in his paw. Mika looked up at that great big face above her. She was so small, but she stood right up on her tiny feet. And she squeaked. The tiniest, bravest squeak. Leo blinked. Nobody had ever been so brave in front of him before. Leo started to laugh. A big, deep, rumbly laugh that shook his whole body. Mika bounced up and down in his paw. He opened his paw flat. Mika stood there, her red bow a little crooked, catching her breath. They just looked at each other. Mika hopped off his paw and ran into the tall grass. She looked back once. He watched her go. Something had just changed.